all. Yes, you read the title correctly. And yes, I do wear my shades in to work because I am that girl. I gotta be sauced, you know what I'm saying? I have to have a little drip, as they say, you know what I mean? So, you know, if I walk in with the shades on, no, I'm feeling myself, okay? In all seriousness, this video is to help. Ooh, it's hot in the sweater. Yeah, yesterday was supposed to be like a nice warm day, but I'm in training now at my job, and normally the classrooms are freezing. So I was like, instead of taking all these jackets to work, we just wear, you know, be efficient, wear one sweater. No, it was hot as hell. And you know, it's a little hot in this room a little bit, but that's just a little oil. Gotta stay hydrated with the skin. And you know, I just wanted to show you all different outfits that you can wear for presentations, business casual style, corporate America approved. You know, people like my outfits when I wear them to work. You know, I try to stay nice and clean and crispy, if you know what I mean. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and show you all what I wore this week. The attire for the training that I'm in for the 2 weeks, you know, is business casual. So I was like, let me go ahead and just show what I'm wearing for the week. Letting, you know, people know that this is approved. And, you know, I have curves, okay? But, you know, I know how to make sure that they're emphasized, but also, you know, it's respectable in the workplace, okay? So check out the video, give me a thumbs up, and go ahead and comment, tell me how much you love me. If there's anything negative, then don't post it, you know, just don't do it. I don't like it. I'm all about positivity and great energy. So, you know, see you next video, and be great, and have a great work week, or have a great school week.
Sevyn.